We got the box. Here's the unboxing. So these are our snap pads, and for us, we needed two 12-inch and four 9-inch. That looks ginormous, but all right, there we go. What I hear is that this is the secret to success for easy installation. A little bit of this on the rim makes it nice and lubricated, pop right in. Let's hope that that's the case. We're gonna go ahead and put them on. Starting with the two big ones. It's like on front. Press. All right, so I'm gonna put down the front landing jack. I may have to reposition those a little bit, and then we'll see if they pop in. The other one's gonna go first.
Over there, sorry. About to not be right at the exhaust though.
All right, I think we have success.
2 down.
All right, 2 down, 4 to go.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think you can just like. I'm just gonna film all this and then
Yeah.
you can like fast forward it. Which side comes down first?
I don't know. I think this
I guess you gotta unhook first. Yep.
All right, easy as that, and we're all set. Snap pads are installed, and they are good to go. They will stay on there indefinitely. No more blocks. I can now get rid of this box. This right here takes up precious space and is a pain to put out every time. So you know what? Bye blocks. They're gone.